This is an interesting question to be solved using Desmos. You need to know the remainder theorem, the factors, the stuff, okay? So one of the factors of this cubic function is x plus b, where b is a positive constant. This is important that this is a positive constant. What is the smallest possible value of b? So positive numbers start from 1 onwards, okay? 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, they are not positive, okay? So this should be a positive constant, okay? It can be 1, 2, 3, x plus 1. So if it's x plus 1, it should be x is equal to -1. That's the x-intercept, okay? So we have to find out what are the x-intercept of this equation, okay? So this is 2x cubed plus 42x square plus 208x. This is divided by x plus b. I think now it started ringing bells, all right? So let's see how we can crack it using Desmos. So let's take this function y is equal to 2x cubed plus 42x square plus 208x. Okay, so we don't need to draw the other function. We just need to find out where this function is intersecting. So this is a cubic function, looks like this, okay, always. So we'll just zoom it out and see what are the points where it's intersecting, okay? So one is this, all right, minus -13, and the other is -8, and the third one is 0, okay? So if we take this x is equal to 0, okay, so x plus 0 is equal to 0, so 0 is not a positive thing, all right, so we don't consider this. The other one is -8, so x is equal to -8, that means x plus 8 is a factor, all right, this is a factor. And the third one is -13, x is equal to -13, that means x plus 13 is a factor, right? So here x plus 13 is a factor of this equation, x plus 8 is a factor of this equation, and x plus 0 is a factor of this equation. So b can be 0, that's not positive, b can be 8, and b can be 13. So we are here looking for the smallest possible positive value, okay? Smallest possible positive value, okay? So that is smallest possible value of b, okay? So that means that is 8, okay? 13 is bigger value, larger value, 8 is smaller value, 0 is smaller but it's not positive, okay? So 8 would be the answer. So b is 8, so it's x plus 8. So when we can divide this function by x plus 8 by x plus 13, and x is equal to 0, so x, so it means 8 is the answer here, okay? So the value of b is 8, okay? Isn't it interesting?